Piyush, many people are asking me, sir, can you send your notes? So what you suggest? Making notes by themselves better? If at all better, how to make? And one more, how many notes they have to make? Right? Long notes, short notes, or only one notes enough? Can you give some light on that? If you are preparing for any competitive exam of computer science, just go to exampreptool.com, right? Just go to exampreptool.com. So on the home page you will see course categories. I think you can, if you are preparing for gate CSC, you can take the gate CSC admissions, gate DA also, and software development course also, like web development, app development course. And if you are preparing for placement course also available, right? Advanced placement course, basic placement course, right? Next one is the revision courses also there, test series also there. If you are preparing for ISRO, DRDO, any exam of computer science, right, you will find out. I will guide you A to Z, right? In which month what subject should be done, right? When it should be completed, when you have to do test series, all the things are available. Rank improvement course, everything is available. Let's go for gate CSC. Suppose you want to go for gate CSC, go there. In the gate CSC you will find out, see, gate CSC 2025 purpose full course, right? This is the 1 year course. Gate CSC 2026 purpose full course, right? It is the 2026 purpose 2 years course. Next one, gate CSC and DSA, both you can manage. Gate CSC also, gate DSA also, right? Gate CSC, DSA both, so that you can do placements, right? Placements also you can easily handle, right? Gate CSC and DSA course. This is for 2025. It is a 2026, so that you no need to lose placements. Gate also you can do, and DSA also, both combinedly, right? Next one is only DSA course, right? Suppose you are preparing for only placements, you can go for only placement course, right? So it's going to be advanced DSA course. Now you can go for gate CSC, gate DA, and DSA. So I think you will get the ultimate advantage here, right? Because three things you are trying, right? If you keep more efforts, you will be successful within less time, right? Gate CSC, gate DA, and DSA course, right? So this is the for 2026. It is the 2025 people. Next one, advanced gate exam, right? Advanced gate exam or PSU exam mentorship program. If you want only mentorship program, you can come here, right? This is the 1 year course, mentorship only. Next one, mentorship course for at 6 months. Next one, you can go for, right? Some people are writing triple IT Hyderabad exam. For that also, we have crash course. So all the things are there. All the things. Gate CSC, right? Next one, gate D also. All possibilities are there. Software development also. Placement courses also. What I mean to say is, if you are preparing for any competitive exam, my suggestion is, right? So just visit the exampreptool.com. If you think any course is suitable to you, you can go ahead. I will guide you every day. I have a month-wise plan to you. I have a week-wise plan to you, because I guided approximately 25 lakh students from the last 15 years. From the last 15 years, I guided more than 25 lakh students. I know what are the shortcuts possible. I know what mistakes you will do. I know, right, what is the correct path for that. Everything I will take care, right? So next one, suppose that one of the course you selected. Suppose that one of the course you selected. See this, view details. You will find out all. The details, right? So all the right course curriculum will be there. Next one is instructors are there. Next one is lecture list also there. Right? Suppose that I clicked one of that, right? Digital logic design. So these are all the classes. Are there. Digital logic design, right? Database management system. These all are there. So what I want to say is everything available.
Yeah, I have followed the handwritten notes only. I in the starting I used digital notes for some time, but I was satisfied more with the handwritten notes. As once you will write the concept by yourself, it will visualize more and helps in the remembering the things for a longer time. I had made both the long notes as well as the short notes. Short notes will help in the revision at the last time.
Mhm. Mhm. So when you started using the short notes?
Yeah, in the last 3 4 months, I used to do the revision from the short notes only.
Mhm. When to solve PYQs?
After completing a subject, I used to solve all the PYQs of that subject.
Mhm. So Abhi, you also made na short notes, long notes, or only long notes?
Yes, sir. I was the lazy one, so I only made the long one.
You made only long notes. Hmm. Okay. You made both.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Fine. So I think you both of your suggestion and my suggestion is making their own notes is better. Are people are asking my notes. Even I don't know what I written. What you will get, man. My notes is I think my writing is almost like a doctor writing, right?
Yes, sir.
I will also I will also write so lazy. Lazy writing.
Yes, sir.
Or maybe my writing is like that, but everyone, I cannot comment my way of writing. I cannot comment your way of writing because it is good for you, right? Everyone's writing is good for them, right? Taking, if someone else using, definitely they may not get it, right? So Piyush, I think our suggestion is everyone should make their own notes.
Yes, sir.
But people saying, Piyush, we don't have time, sir.
If they don't have time, then they can refer to some other students' notes. But it will be better if they write with their own.
Because somewhere they will stuck, right? If they prefer
Yeah.
if they refer the other people notes, guarantee somewhere they will stuck. They don't know what is the keyboard, right?
Yeah, they do not know what the thought process that the student was when he was making the notes.
So because when I'm writing the algorithm note, sometimes I used to say DFC, distinct function call. People, someone asking it DFC or
Yes, sir.
AFC. People are asking it DFC, means everyone having their own shortcuts. It's a very difficult reading someone's notes, right? So my suggestion is please make your own notes. So Abhinav, studying, start preparing and practicing, everything is okay. Everyone can do it, right? But those last 3 hours really matters how you utilize efficiently. So exactly what you done in those 3 hours. Please, can you give some insights of that so that people can maybe little bit copy whatever you done? Can you try something about this? What you done last those 3 hours, which gave first rank to you?
Yes, sir. So the first thing is that you have to keep the same strategy during your test series as well, and during your final exam. You cannot change the strategy between your exam and your test series because you have practiced that and you are expert in that strategy now. So the strategy which I used was that I used to give the exam in rounds. The first round was that I only solved the easy questions, the easiest questions that I can just see and solve in around 30 seconds to 1 minute. And in the second round, I used to solve some moderate questions that I know the concept of, but it will take like let's say around 2 to 3 minutes. And after that, in the third round, I used to revise and I used to solve the difficult concepts that I have to think about, let's say 5 minutes to 10 minutes. Maybe two or three questions you can solve in the third round. So yeah, that is what I did.
Right. So Piyush, can you say yours?
Yeah, I suggest we give enough number of mocks that the gate exam will be only a mock itself. It will be not something else. So the time management and minimizing the negative marking, you will learn from giving the mocks only. In the starting of my preparation, I used to get -5 to 6 negative marks, and at the end in the gate exam, I had a zero negative marking in the final gate exam. So the mocks teaches you many more things. Like the gaps which you have in the concept, you will learn from the mistakes which you did in the mocks. So mocks are very important for you.